In this problem, we want to divide using synthetic division. So we got, thinking about a tablet to work there. X to the third minus 7x squared plus x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. Now our first step in synthetic division is to take what we're dividing by, the x plus 1, and set it equal to 0 and solve it. So I took the 1 over the right side, becomes a negative 1. Now whatever number we find in step 1, we put in the box in the upper left-hand corner. Now we identify our largest power, which is x to the third. So real small, I'm going to write x to the third, x squared, x, and no x across the top. And we'll write down the numbers in front of each one. There's a 1 in front of the x to the third, there's a negative 7 in front of the x squared, there's a 1 in front of the x, and there's a negative 2 at the end. By putting that across the top, it ensures that they're always in standard form and you're not missing any powers. Now we're going to go through a series of adding, multiplying over and over until we're done. So we'll start with our far left column. We'll add. 1 plus nothing is 1. Then we're going to multiply. You always multiply by the number up in the box, by the number you just put down here. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Then we want to add. Negative 7, negative 1 is negative 8. Then we want to multiply. You always want to multiply by the number up in the box, by the number you just put down there. Negative 1 times negative 8 is a positive 8. Then add. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then multiply. You always multiply by the number up in the box, by the number you just put down there. Negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. And then add. Negative 2 and negative 9 gives us negative 11. Now this was x to the third. Straight down below it will be 1 degree lower, it'll be x squared. This will be x, no x, our constant term, and our remainder. So our answer will be x squared minus 8x plus 9 plus, and you take your remainder and you put over what you're dividing by. So we'll have negative 11 over x plus 1. You can also put the negative out in front if you want.